Okay guys, 2018 Tesla 100D. It's 2018. I think it's got right around 6,000 miles on it. This is a rebuilt title, did have some front end damage and some suspension damage. You know, it's not perfect. There is a few little things of dust in the paint and things like that, but you got to be right up on it to see it. It's got some good tires. It's got your air suspension. This is the 7-passenger. It's got the extra seat there. USBs here. One of my favorite things is this glass roof. Falcon doors. So this will come with a charger and your choice of which adapter you want, 220 or 110. Does have a few nicks here that we can get cleaned up. Eventually they will be here. Your air. Oh, this is your air ride suspension. Oh, lowered right now, if you can see that. Okay. All your lights. Driving, that person liked the comfort. So this does have the navigate and autopilot and summons. So it'll switch lanes, put on the brakes, keep you in the lane. Lane departure warning. So, got your genre, it's got your high fidelity sound system. Heated seats. Cameras. This has the ability to charge at 72 amps, which is the fastest I think they go. Drive it and just pull it forward here a little bit out of shot. Everything drives just fine. This 18 Tesla Model X 100D is presented to you from Chapman Auto. Check out all the cars we have to offer. We are one of the biggest Tesla dealers around these days. at tjchapmanauto.com.